In midweek trade, risk appetite is back up. U.S. indices pushed higher on Tuesday, led by shares in banks, automobiles and components, and technology hardware and equipment sectors. 90% of the S&P 500 constituents traded higher yesterday. In terms of company news, Alibaba Group's finance unit and financial services group is in talks to invest in Kaishan Media, this according to Bloomberg. And Zynga appointed board member Frank Gibeau to CEO and announced founder Mark Pincus will serve as executive chairman of the board. Meanwhile, ICE acquired Standard & Poor's Securities Evaluations and Credit Market Analysis from McGraw-Hill Financial. All of the terms of the agreement were not disclosed. In terms of overseas action, Asian markets soared. The Nikkei was up by over 4%, the Hang Seng up 3%, and South Korea's Kospi was up over 1.5%. Now, European indices are mostly upward, and U.S. futures are calling for a soft opening. Today, no major earnings are expected. In terms of economic data, the February ADP employment change is expected to come in at 188,000. And at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, the U.S. Federal Reserve releases its Fed's Beige Book. Regarding the trend on indices for the S&P 500 on an intraday basis, further upside is expected. Trading Central analysts prefer long positions above 1955 with targets coming in at 1991 and 2003 in extension. As for the Nasdaq on an intraday basis, further upside is expected. Trading Central analysts prefer long positions above 42.75. And for the Dow Jones Industrial Average on an intraday basis, further upside is expected. Trading Central analysts prefer long positions above 16,690.